True.
Here we are in Alton. Me and Mr. Country Critter. Looking for eagle. Well, we've seen a bunch of eagles, bunch of turkey, bunch of deer, but it wasn't close enough to get video with this junky phone I got, so we got a bunch of seagulls. We're getting ready to drive through them. See, this won't focus at all when you zoom. They're pretty cool though. They're still pretty cool birds. It's snowing. They don't even fly away. They just walk. I know I did something. Yeah, I do this all the time in Springfield when I was up there. You just spot out the lake, you can just ride around. It ain't open like this, so you can't just go around in circles and chase them, no. It's that point. Just out on the point. But they're getting a wind current. Yeah, it's a good day down here. Found a few rocks, but a bunch of agates and petrified woods. A couple, what do you call them? A bunch of jasper and ambers. Yeah, some ambers. But I was wanting to get some video of the eagles, but like I said, it's too far away. We've seen like 20 or 30 of them probably so far, and probably 50 wild turkey and 20, 30 deer. Well, down here outside Alton, and what do you call this place? It's just between the rivers park, I guess. Lewis and Clark Bridge Parks. There's just like parks all over out here. It's a beautiful area. It's like lagoons and ponds and lakes and rivers everywhere. If you ever get a chance, check it out, y'all.